Managing PCOS start with what you put on your plate. Here's full day of hormone balancing meals to keep you energized and body in harmony. Breakfast. Start with scrambled egg with spinach and avocado. The healthy fats in the avocado and protein from the eggs keep blood sugar levels stable. Add a handful of berries on the side for a dose of antioxidants. Mid-morning snack. A small handful of almonds or walnuts. These nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber and magnesium which help reduce inflammation and regulate blood sugar. Lunch. For lunch, a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cucumbers, olive oil and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This is full of fiber, protein and omega-3 fatty acids to help with insulin resistance and reduce inflammation. Afternoon snacks. A cup of Greek yogurt with a tablespoon of ground flax seeds. The probiotics in yogurt support gut health, and flax seeds are full of fiber and lignans that help balance hormones. Dinner. For dinner, baked salmon with roasted vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and Brussels sprouts is an excellent choice. It's rich in omega-3 antioxidants and fiber, perfect of supporting hormonal balance. By focusing on whole nutrient-dense food like these, you can help manage PCOS and support your hormone throughout the day.